Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add page in Hostinger website builder. So first open your website and then edit it on hostinger.com. And now on the left side, click on the pages and navigation. And here you can click on add page at the bottom with the plus icon. Now you can generate a page with AI. Make a new empty page, a blog page, online store page, an about page, contact page, services page, projects page, privacy policy page, refund policy, and terms and condition. You can simply choose here any template that you want to use. For me, I'll just use this template. And now, you can change the name in navigation, page URL, the social image, and you can even add a password. For now, that is all that I want to set it. So I will click on save. Now, you have made your new page. And that's basically it.